So I wanted to make this really short video about something really cool that happened at work today. I don't know if I'm allowed to be saying this, but I work at H&M, and I was closing today. And while I was closing, I was overhearing some of my coworkers talking, and they were both straight, but they were talking about homosexuality and how they think it's stupid that politicians and people won't let other people get married based on same sex. And for me, that was really cool. That was really cool to hear them listening as from a heterosexual perspective, coming from a homosexual, and how they stuck up for homosexuals and how they were saying how it was wrong and love is love, it doesn't have a gender, who cares, why does it matter so much? If you're happy, then why does it matter? And I don't know, I just thought it was really interesting. And when I was overhearing them, why do I have like 8 tabs and they're all Tumblr? Anyways, yeah, I just thought that was a little cool thing that happened. And I love my coworkers, and I'm really glad that I work for a company that supports my way of living, my lifestyle, and who I love. So, yeah. I'm gonna go now, and you have yourself a good night.